This is Project Louis' Revenge, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Louis' Revenge is painted in eggshell quantum gray color with black accents all around. Louis' Revenge sits on 20-inch Cannon dial wheels with BFG all-terrain tires. This D110 features E.C.D's wide body kit, classic front bumper with daytime running lights, 2 LED light bars in the rear, and black metal steering guard. On the inside, Project Louis' Revenge features a Nardi deep corn steering wheel wrapped in brown leather with custom autocross gauges, 2 Corbo front and middle row seats, and 2 inward-facing bench seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in vertical honeycomb brown leather stitched together in white. Louis' Revenge is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB ports.